Many low-lying areas in Metro Manila were again inundated by the continuous heavy rains. The city of Marikina was again not spared, Sam Ramirez reports.
A big tree fell and blocked the lanes of Banabasan Mateo near Barangay Nangka, Marikina, which caused traffic in Batasan and Fair Lane. But after an hour of cutting and dragging the branches, it was removed and the traffic situation went back to normal. Compared to the monsoon rains last month, the rainfall that was felt in Marikina today wasn't that strong. The water level did not go beyond 15.8 meters and alert level 1, which means awareness was not raised all throughout the afternoon. But nevertheless, the local government headed by Mayor Del de Guzman went around the critical areas in Marikina and advised the families living there to be prepared. They also monitored the floodgates in Pasig, which helps in decreasing the water level of Marikina River.
Kahapon pa tayo nag-monitor, kahapon kasama natin mga DRRM people natin. Kami nag-monitor o coordinate sa Metro Manila DRRM o sa pamumuno ni Chairman Tolentino na yung pagbubukas ng gate, critical sa amin yun eh. So mahuli lang tayo ng bukas ng gate, floodgate ay talagang tataas yung ating ilog dito.
One of the primary evacuation centers in Marikina is H. Bautista Elementary School in Nangka, near to Mano River. It can accommodate up to 900 families or more than 6,000 individuals. According to Angelito Bautista, school disaster preparedness coordinator who's assigned in H. Bautista, they are on standby to receive evacuees if the situation calls for it.
Well, dito sa aming sa school, naka-ready naman kami, naka-ready ang school sa pagpunta or sa paglikas ng ating mga evacuees. Nakasuporta naman ang aming punong lungsod sa pagkain. May nagluluto at ito'y galing sa munisipyo. May naka-assign na doktor para tumingin sa mga evacuees natin na mayroong mga nararamdaman or karamdaman.
According to Mayor De Guzman, rain showers are still expected, so it's better and prepared. Reporting for the People's Television, Sam Ramirez.